Madyo na, ang tatag ito ay makasaysayan. On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they're sailing day at night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they had done, because Kastilagit at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha humabot meet him where they're very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, orders men to go maplag. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, polos and spears, curses, guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan, long time ago, ladies and gentlemen. Philippine Geography, come on. Yes, ma'am. Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, the king point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Calaucan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more: Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon. Then down to Visayan, sure famous, it's sugar, coconut, and corn. Ay, Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue, ay, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, ay, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulut, Tawi. Ay, Philippines Philippines is a great history. Ay, Manila is the capital city. Ay, all tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.